Hi everyone, I'm here today at the Community Connections event in Gloucester. It's been a great turnout today, lots of partner organisations, staff, volunteers, people living with and affected by MS. We're really pleased to be joined by our funders, Wales and West Utilities and Rachel. Rachel, what have you thought of today's event?
It's been a really great opportunity to join MS Society, and we've seen how the Community Connections programme has been able to bring so many different local organisations together, and there's a clear focus on individual needs and really providing those affected by MS or living with MS that kind of holistic support. So it's really something that we're very much proud to be supporting through our vulnerability and carbon monoxide allowance.
Community events like this are really important for our patients' wellbeing because I think MS as a whole is vastly misunderstood. Our patients are extremely isolated in a way because people don't understand MS and what that means. So I think events like this are amazing. It means our patients can come together and actually it connects us to services as well. So as an MS nurse, we work with lots of different communities and lots of different services, but we don't necessarily always see them in person. So I work with all of these people, but it's really nice for us to kind of have those connections as well, so we can kind of provide a better service for our patients. So
fantastic event run by the MS Society. The local MS groups come together, and we've had activities or support also from the Citizens Advice Bureau. The MS nurses have been brilliant. The Chalcott Centre that provide dedicated support, and I can't remember all the others, but to be honest, it's been really, really helpful, and the feedback today has been so positive. Thank you very, very much.